god, an Optimus!
Yeah. Well, it's gonna take us like half an hour to get there.
Not really.
Actually, it did take us half an hour. First time. We just walked past.
Yeah, but we went a really long way that time.
Yeah. It should take us like maybe 15 minutes or so.
Maybe.
Remember how fast we're walking and this is Mr. Happy again.
Is it Mr. Happy Austin?
Yeah.
He looks kind of blue on this.
Yeah, but he's really purple, white, purple, and white. So he's multicolored.
Oh my god, no, he's only double colored.
He's multicolored.
Because there's two whites on him.
Yeah, but there's also a purple. That's kind of
Yeah. Are you insane?
Yeah. There's no need to ask that. I have my phone with me. And I have a picture of Bradley for the background.
What about the gum post?
I didn't put that as my background. Here's Bradley. Don't think you can see him right now.
No, you can kind of see him on it. You can see a reflection of the camera though.
Yeah. Back into my Aeropostale pocket it goes.
Look at that grass.
So, turning greenish.
Look at the sidewalk. It's clear. Look at her back. It's really black.
Yeah, and probably.
And look at that car. Oh my god, they looked at us.
Oh my god.
Yeah, look at that bus. There's a bus down there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's turning. Oh, I just left. Oh, it's a mailbox. The little red thing down there, that's a mailbox. I don't know. Oh, we'll get closer. Oh, and this is a stop post. It says no parking, I think. So no parking.
Yeah.
There's a car stopping. It's going to turn. Or go straight.
I was gonna fall.
And then there's a mailbox beside that car. Oh, it's turning that way. It's turning right.
Hey, get over the mailbox.
I'm narrating everything.
Stop narrating everything.
There's another stop post.
Oh, well then tell them we're gonna go pick up Shania.
Why can't I go pick up Shaniqua?
Or
Rosemond. I can't see the mailbox yet. Well, I see a for sale sign.
Yeah, I'm in front of Riverside.
Yep. He's moving. Yay.
Little pest is moving.
I knew.
Oh god.
Don't fall.
I was gonna fall. I was gonna fall again.
Well, don't fall.
If I fall, I'm gonna die.
Well, don't fall.
But it's like hard not to fall.
Well, try not to fall.
I'll attempt to, but I can't guarantee I won't.
Well, don't attempt, do. Don't attempt, just do it.
Ow.
I think you can see the mailbox now.
Probably. At least a little bit.
I think there's a bit. Look at those cars. None of them compared to my imaginary one.
Yeah, well, my imaginary one's rainbow colored.
My imaginary one's a toy Jeep.
I'm gonna get one of those for my birthday. I asked for it. Yeah. I kept bugging for the toy Jeep, so I might get it. If I do, I'm gonna drive it all around.
We should like paint it.
Oh, I'm gonna paint it rainbow color. That'd be like my dream.
There's the mailbox and a stop sign. Am I?
No,
There's
Mr.
a-
Happy. Yeah.
There's another mail thing. Oh, there's a person. Oh, there's a sewer thing. But we passed a lot of those.
Okay, well we should stop it.
Okay.
Take a while.
Okay, bye.